In continuation to our shear force and bending moment, we can also solve the loading case for continuous beam. Here the continuous beam is given to us. Suppose A, B and C. These are the three supports. They are joined in nature, so we are calling it as continuous beam. On this continuous beam, on one span, suppose AB, the uniformly distributed load is applied. And on the other span, there is no loading. Here, this is also continuous beam. The point load is applied on one part of the beam and it is centrally applied. Here it is also continuous beam, but the point load is applied at any point. It is not centrally applied. Here it is also continuous beam. It is two span continuous beam where the loading is applied on the whole beam, that is on AB span and also on the BC span. Here it is also two span continuous beam where the 2 point loads are applied. Here in this case it is 3 span, it is 2 span continuous beam, but they are unequally spanned. Unequally spanned means AB and BC, they are of different length. It is also two unequal span with point loads. They are unequally spanned. AB and BC are of different length and 2 point loads are applied. So this can also be the cases when you have to draw the shear force and bending moment for this.